What is going on out there, good people? And welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Hope everybody out there is doing well. As for myself, I am better than I deserve, as Dave Ramsey would say. Doing pretty good. Just sitting back down at the desk to get this recap out of the way. It is just one recap today. Just gonna be focusing on the Express Top Step X Express funded account again today. I did take some trades in the cash account today. We're green in the cash account, and then I took some trades in the other combines. Might look at one other one. I'm not sure. I don't think I will though. But I did pass another combine, y'all. I passed another Top Step X $50,000 account today. So I'll be switching that over to an Express funded. They will allow you to trade up to 3 at one time. My plan is to only do 2. So Top Step X had this deal where you can get a Top Step X $50,000 account for $4.50 per month. And you can get up to 5 of them. So I got 5 of them. And my plan is to only express 2 of them. And I'll pay that $4.50 a month for those other ones, just to kind of have them in my side pocket if for whatever reason I go full tilt and spiral out of control and blow one of these. Today, it couldn't have been one of them days. But I did put on some added risk today in the Express account. I will say that. I did put some added risk on. So we'll look at that trade. Gonna look at it a little different today. Top Step X, you cannot see, you can't show trades. So I did something a little different today that I had posted over in the Discord. So we'll use that when we review the trade. But what I'm gonna do, as always, I'm gonna bring up my Ninja Trader. This is what I use even when I'm trading in Top Step. I'm still looking at this chart. I want to look at the 5-minute, and I just want to look and see what we did overall today. It was an ugly day. One thing though, let me see. I'm gonna take this out to right here, and let's see. Let's go Chart Trader. Let's go. Because I do want to show trades for my cash account real quick. I took a banger of a trade today, y'all. Or not today. I took it last night. And let's see. Where did it go to? Those are all the trades. I ain't trying to focus on what we did last few days. I want to focus on one trade. Where is it at? Right there. Right here. I got in this trade last night at 8:22. Or is that 10:22? May have been around 10. Yeah, 22. So that was around 10. I took this trade with an entry of 91. I put my stop down there at like 81, 10 points. And I just let this thing go. And then I woke up this morning and it was right here because I didn't have a target in place. Nice solid move though. In at 90. This thing had went all the way up to 24. I was in 4 NQs right there. This thing at the max was up about 267. I got out making about 150. And then took a couple other little trades coming down through here. So ended up being pretty good day in the cash account, but notice what the market did. Let's take this out to like 3, 4 o'clock where I like to be looking at. 3 o'clock, I took a couple of little trades coming down through here. I was up. 4 o'clock, that's that other time where the market kind of gets jiggy. Made a nice move, came on up. 8 o'clock, I took a trade right around here. Small green. You see, I got in 3 positions. I got out one basically flat right there and then got back in, kind of made that back up. But look at that move, y'all. And the reason I got out right here, I was playing golf this morning. And this one was green. So this trade was green. I had my stop below it. And you're going to see, look at the times. Look at the time. Look at the time. It's right around 8:30. When we go to look at the top step trade, you're going to see it was right around that time too. But notice, market opens, kind of just grinds up into the open. And once it opened, it just tanked, y'all. It just tanked all the way out. This was a trend line from yesterday. Notice how it worked it. It's been a while since we've seen this yellow price level. Look where this thing came down to. Basically the penny. Found support, and we never saw this level again this morning or today. Nice little move back up, and it closed right at the hourly 50. So that's why you hear me say it's important. A lot of people don't like moving averages. A lot of people don't like VWAP. This is VWAP right here, this gold line. Previous high day, it's way up here, out of place, but previous day's close, previous day's low. The market uses all of these levels to find support and resistance. So they're there for us to use. So I use them. But let's go ahead. I'm going to bring up Top Step X. You see, we are in the $50,000 Express account, and it's not 6 o'clock yet. So it's still showing what I made today. Realized P&L, the actual profit or loss from positions you've closed for the trading day. Made $379 today. Nice, nice, nice day. Our balance is $796. This makes for 3 days that we have traded over $200. If I could do this 2 more times, I can request a payout. Yes, sir. And we only took, it's showing 2 trades. Yeah, I guess it was 2 individual trades. We'll keep it like that. Took 2 trades today. So that's what we did. But what I did was I went into Thinkorswim because I shut down NinjaTrader today and didn't want to take any more trades. So I shut it down and I had Thinkorswim open, and I went into Thinkorswim's charts, and this is the NQ 1 minute. These were the 2 trades that I took today. First one I was in at 7:30. I got out at 8:50. And I got in another one at 7:38. So let's go ahead. I'm going to break this down and kind of explain. I got some notes on this one, so it kind of makes it a little easier to see. So market had kind of grinded up, came up to this level, came back down. This is the hourly 50. That's on my Thinkorswim chart. I use the same moving averages on all of my charts. So we were kind of basing right here. So when this made this move, I took one NQ. So you see first entry, and my stop was right here. So I got in. It immediately went against me, y'all. Immediately went against me. I took a second entry right here. At that time, my stop is still right here, but I grabbed the 5-minute chart and I looked out and I noticed that this is probably not going to be a good stop. And on the 5-minute, we had a demand level and we had a good stop. So I moved my stop here based on the 5-minute chart. So let's look at what this thing does, y'all. It just kind of continues to grind down lower, comes back up, tries to get above the 50 EMA. It can't, comes back down, comes up, pushes back down. Look at how close I came to getting stopped out, y'all. My stop was 18,510. So it's actually just a little bit lower than that. I was giving a little extra wiggle room. If you come over to the left or to the right, you'll see where 18,510 was at. Gave that a little extra wiggle room. This thing shot like a rocket. Remember, you saw I was in a trade at 830 in the cash account. This thing shoots like a rocket. I had an 8:45 tee time, y'all. My buddy calls me and he like, dude, where you at? Luckily, the golf course was like 5 minutes from my house. But if you come all the way back over to the left, before I left out, I put my target at 18,540. So this was target just up to here. Look at where 18,540 is. Just below that. I did that just in case it did what it did right here. Came up, wicked over, and then pulled back and then shot up. So you see, actually, they got me out at 18,542. I think I had my target set at 18,540. That's really where I kind of wanted to have it at. But excellent trade, y'all. Came up, pulled back, did come up. Finally got me out right up in here somewhere. And you saw what we made. What was that? Like 379 after commissions. It's showing that we made 385 right here. 385, but then we paid $5.60 in commissions. That gave us the 379. So solid. And we see this thing just continued to run. Man, I would have had a banger day. But guess what? Had I not gotten out and I just left this naked, this thing tanked that market open and I would have been stopping out for a major loss. And that was in like 5 minutes. So solid trade right there. Market just opened back up. So let's see what it's doing. Kind of pushing back down a little bit. One thing on my charts on thinkers on the top step, they don't flip red to green. They'll put a plus right there when it flips. So I would know now that this is flipped and my chart would be red on NinjaTrader. So I can kind of trade from here, but they don't have a 200 tick chart. The smallest they go down to is a 500. I like to trade to 200, but I can still find good entries just looking at this chart. You see, we got a 5 minute chart right here. This thing came down, bounced off the 200 SMA right there. Come over on the 1 minute. We're below the 100 SMA right here. Nice little bear flag forming to where this got a good chance to flush all the way back down to 460, 462 area. So yeah, that's what the market is doing right now. And we'll check one other thing before we get up out of here. I want to look and just see if they've updated the dashboard for Top Step. So yeah, they have. This is the Express account, showing that our high is 796, current 796. We're doing good. Weekly net P&L 796. Best day, that was today. Worst day, that was day before yesterday. Average winning day is 265. So today's 379 actually gave a little extra cushion over the $200 to put on a little more risk. Objectives to get a payout, 5 winning days of $200 or more. We got a total of 3 right now. We have not hit or exceeded the $100 daily loss. Had that trade not worked, we would have had a fairly significant red trade, but we were good there. Follow the scaling plan, allowed 2 contracts. I make sure that I do that. That's why you kind of see me scale in. Do not let your account balance hit or go below this one. Still kind of, I guess I can't lose more than $1,203 in one day. So got to keep an eye on that. Days complete. 3 of them. Winning days 100%. We are banging, y'all. We are banging. Average winning trade $60. Winning trade percent. We're at a 92% trading right now. That is good. Average losing trade $38. Man, Almost 2 to 1 right there. We're at 1.57 to 1. So we're doing good, y'all. We are doing excellent. I ain't gonna even say good. We're doing excellent. 3 days that we've traded so far. Today, we didn't take no losing trades. First time trading, we didn't take any losing trades. And then right here, we did take one on the second day. Let's check one other thing. Let's check the other account. So give me 1 sec. All right, got that other account pulled up. And there you have it, y'all. This is the second of 5 Top Step X accounts that we have over here at LMD Trading. We see the high, 53,045.2. That's the current. What did we make today? I had to scroll down to the bottom and see, but look at that, y'all. Reach and maintain the $3,000 profit target. We did that today. Never did have one that was greater than 50%. Made sure that. Never did have a daily loss limit. We made sure of that. We didn't let the account balance get below 50,000, so we were good there. Let's scroll on down. Let's look at these particulars. Average winning trade, 89.52. 96%. We were on fire in this account as well. Average losing trade, $44. That's hitting us over 2 to 1 on our money. Why wasn't I doing this to begin with? And this one, we've been trading for 4 days. We've been trading it for 4 days. Today, net P&L 504. Banger, banger, banger. Let's look at it. Let's see. P&L low was 17. Number of contracts 22. We paid $30 in commission and fees. Total of 11 trades. Average winning trade 45.84%. 100. We didn't take no red trades today in this account either. Banger, y'all. Banger, banger, banger. Now I will say I got some other accounts. Those I'm not going to worry about passing right now. One of them is a little under 49, or not under 49, a little under 50. It's 49 and some change. So I'll probably just continue to trade those when I don't want to trade the 2 express accounts. Kind of get them to where they're hopefully right about ready to be funded. And then I'll just pay the $4.50 a month. It's just insurance. It's cheap insurance. So on that note, I am going to wrap this one up. As always, thanks for checking me out. If you hadn't hit that like button, now would be an excellent time. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it will help me out in these YouTube streets. If you're not subscribed, you just might be that 1,000th person to subscribe and get me over the threshold that YouTube has of needing 1,000 subs to take it to the next level. I am right there, y'all, right there. So if you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. Are you trading prop firms out there? How are you doing if you are? What's your thoughts on this market, man? Every time it looks like the market is done, it rips back up. It's crazy. You saw that sell-off this morning that we had, and then you see it's pushing right back up again. It just needs to make its mind up. I think we need a reset, though. I think it needs to kind of pull back a little bit. So if I had to be a betting man, that's what I would think it's going to do. But on that note, I'm going to wrap this one up, and we will be back at it again tomorrow. Peace.